Well, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another video content. I welcome all of you to my video. So today I shall wrap up my whole experience so far of working with accent, especially the pronunciation and accent part that has evolved over times. For over the past It's been 7 years that still it's kinda evolving. It's still evolving, it's regenerating again and again in the way as getting much more closer to the native level. So let's talk about it today here in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, the way as I talk in English now in each of the videos didn't happen overnight, or I can tell you to some extent that it took enough level of self-determination, the confidence, and the resilience and the patience, which led to the drastic transformation in my accent. That can also work in case of yours as well, if you're planning to change or alter your strong, at least reduce in some form your strong Indian-oriented accent to get close to a Native American-oriented accent. So keep watching this video until the very end. Now everyone has gotten their specific way of talking in English. Now, I simply didn't learn English by learning grammar or studying books. I listened more and more. I consumed more and more English. It was overwhelmingly the experience of prolonged listening over times that led to my brain, my inner brain, to actually pick up those nuances of the language, like how the specific targeted sounds function or work. I dealt my mouth position accordingly by putting them into action for each of those targeted vowel and consonant sounds. And I can tell you that if you are stringent enough to work on your accent, then it will take you some pretty 6 years on an average to get to the 100% native level. So, despite my efforts for over the past 7 years, I still myself think that it's still in the process of evolution and it's still evolving gradually and naturally. It's getting much more natural over times. So when I first decided to work on my English skills, the thought or the idea of working with accent came from nowhere. So when I first decided to work on my English accent, I was pretty some 21 years old. And now I'm 28. So 7 years of total, like, it was like overwhelmingly relentless operation, painstaking hard work that helped me to still evolve over time, to reduce much more and more. And so if you watch my other video series as the way I perform in each and every video content for over the past 5 years since I started my YouTube career, you'll notice that it has been evolving over times. So I'm proud to actually say that these two books, Mastering the American Accent by Lisa Moisen, and the second book, American Accent Training by Ann Cook has helped me literally to reduce my accent. And it was just 30% of what I have learned from these two books, and the rest 70%, the entire credit goes to my self-work on self-commitment and dedication, the painstaking efforts that I took. So, if you think you can master an accent, you can simply go for it. There's simply just no point of procrastinating. You can simply put at least 2 hours per day dedicatedly, and that's going to get you as much closer to mastering the American accent. And if you want to speak English with a native level, if you're getting popped up in your brain with this thought that I want to speak English like native speakers, it's absolutely logical. There's nothing wrong in it. So you can do this if you are self-determined, with the iron determination. If you think that I can do this, no one can stop you. That's all for this video. We'll meet you again in another video content. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then smash that like button, and also do let me know in the comments what's your opinion all about regarding accents. Thank you.